Hi guys, how you guys doing? Today is another round of product recommendation. This is the fingerprint lock. Alright, it's a keyless lock. And talking about the keyless lock, I have got another one like this. And basically these two are the keyless lock, but this one uses the handphone and Bluetooth to unlock it. And this one basically you just need your fingerprint to unlock. And this one is much more secure because it is anti-knock and anti-cut. And if you remove the battery behind, all these three will trigger the alarm, which are very loud. Alright, I've made a video previously for this lock. You guys can watch it if you are interested. Alright, today we'll talk about this fingerprint lock. Okay, so basically this lock is using this metallic strap, which is protected by a thick layer of plastic tubing, right? And this is the fingerprint sensor. Behind is the battery compartment. So you need two type of this type of battery, and then we'll move on to the tutorial so I can throw away my menu later on. First of all, when you first collect this lock, anyone can open it using any fingerprint. Alright, so what you need to do is to hold for 3 seconds until a blue light appears, so you can start collecting your fingerprint. Right, 1 2 3 4 5. The blue light indicate that it is collected. 7 8 9. Alright, one long beep means your fingerprint is successfully collected. Alright, let's try it out. Okay, wrong. Right, I'm using my right thumb. Alright, it opens up. So this lock can collect up to 10 fingerprints. Alright, just now I've used one, that is the admin fingerprint. So now I need to collect the second one. Just hold 3 seconds. Alright, this is the second one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now this is my second fingerprint. Let's try it out. Okay, wrong. This is my second fingerprint. Alright, second fingerprint collected successfully. Okay, let's try the last one. Wrong. This is my admin fingerprint. Alright, it works. Okay, now let's talk about erasing the fingerprint. First of all, you need to use your admin fingerprint. Hold it 6 to 10 seconds until a red lights up. Okay, you need to authorize again. One long beep, everything is gone. The fingerprint is erased. Right, let's try it. Right, anyone can open it. Alright, it goes back to its original state. Okay, alright, it's that simple. And in conclusion is that this lock is just a simple but convenient lock. It is not anti-shake or anti-cut, and if people remove your battery, you need to replace it. If not, you can't open the lock. Alright, this lock can be used for toolbox or lock that are not so important. For example, I'm using it for my locker, which there's not much valuable things inside. Alright, it's for convenient usage. Okay, that's all for today. I hope this video is helpful. I've got much more interesting budget gadget coming up next, so stay tuned for more and take care and bye.